Student life today is tougher than ever. Fast-paced lectures, endless assignments, and an overwhelming amount of information. Most of the time, you're trying to keep up instead of actually learning. But what if there were AI tools that could save you hours, organize your chaos, and make studying smarter? Well, there are, and in this video, we'll cover the 8 best AI tools every student should know. From note-taking and presentations to research, writing, and organization, these tools can transform your academic life. Let's dive in with the first one.
Tool 1. MEM AI. We've all been there. Lectures move so fast that you're stuck between scribbling notes and actually listening. MEM AI solves this problem. MEM is more than a note-taker. It's a knowledge management system. It transcribes lectures live, highlights key concepts, and organizes them into searchable, connected notes. If your professor talks about photosynthesis in one class and chloroplasts in another, MEM links them automatically, helping you see the bigger picture. And with MEM Chat, you can collaborate with classmates in real time, sharing and building notes together. MEM turns messy lecture notes into an organized, intelligent study system, so you can focus on understanding, not scrambling. Tool 2. Otter AI. If MEM is about building connections, Otter AI is about precision. Think of it as a personal secretary that never misses a word. Otter transcribes lectures or meetings in real time, letting you highlight key sections, tag important points, and revisit them anytime. It even integrates with Zoom, so you get live captions and searchable transcripts during online classes. The best part? Otter Chat. If something in the transcript confuses you, you can ask directly, and it explains the concept in plain language. With Otter, you'll never miss a crucial detail again.
Tool 3. DoraTune AI. Presentations can feel like a nightmare. Choosing colors, layouts, and animations takes forever. DoraTune AI makes it effortless. You start with the template, add your content, and the AI handles the design, animations, and visuals. Need graphs, diagrams, or even video exports? DoraTune has it built in. For class projects, research presentations, or digital portfolios, it's a lifesaver. Instead of spending hours tweaking slides, DoraTune lets you create professional results in minutes, so you can spend more time mastering your subject.
Tool 4. Edraw Max AI. 1 minute. Sometimes notes aren't enough. You need a clear visual map of your ideas. That's where Edraw Max AI comes in. This tool reads your notes, ideas, or research and transforms them into mind maps, flowcharts, or diagrams. Suddenly, scattered thoughts become organized structures you can actually see and understand. You can fully customize colors, fonts, and layouts, making your maps both practical and visually engaging. Whether you're planning essays, projects, or revision, Edraw Max gives you clarity at a glance.
Tool 5. Google Notebook LM. Researching textbooks and PDFs takes hours, but Google Notebook LM makes it faster and smarter. Upload your documents, and it extracts the most important ideas, summaries, definitions, and key concepts, all tailored to your material. Studying dopamine? Notebook LM highlights the essentials and even generates questions to test your knowledge. And here's the unique twist. It can turn your notes into a podcast-style dialogue, so you can listen and learn while commuting or exercising. Notebook LM makes heavy research light and interactive.
Tool 6. Perplexity AI. But what if you need to research beyond your own notes? That's where Perplexity AI shines. It's like a supercharged search engine. Ask a question, and it scans vast sources, summarizes results, and even cites references. Unlike a regular search, you don't get a messy list of links. You get structured, trustworthy answers. You can also export full reports or share them with classmates. With Perplexity, research that usually takes hours can be done in minutes, backed by real sources. Tool 7. Notion AI.
Juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and notes can get overwhelming. Notion AI turns your workspace into an all-in-one productivity hub. It doesn't just store your notes, it transforms them. With commands like /summarize or /expand, Notion AI can condense lectures, draft essays, or simplify technical content. And for group projects, it's perfect. Assign tasks, brainstorm, and create shared study guides in one place. Notion AI brings structure and collaboration together, keeping you on top of everything.
Tool 8. Grammarly AI. Finally, writing. Essays, reports, even emails to professors, Grammarly AI makes them sharper. It's more than spell check. Grammarly improves sentence flow, suggests better vocabulary, and even adjusts tone, whether you want formal, persuasive, or casual. It also includes a plagiarism checker, scanning billions of sources to keep your work original. The best part is real-time feedback. As you write, Grammarly teaches you to improve, so your writing skills grow with every assignment.
So, there you have it. 8 AI tools that can transform student life. Mem and Otter for capturing knowledge, DoraTune and Edraw Max for creating and visualizing, Notebook LM and Perplexity for smarter research, Notion for organization, and Grammarly for writing. The takeaway is simple. AI won't replace your effort, it amplifies it. Use these tools wisely and you'll save time, stay focused, and actually enjoy learning more. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on studying smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.